Alright guys, today we're doing Loot Crate for October 2017. Here we go. Give me the crate! Yay! The Loot Crate for October! Let's see what's in it. Okay, there we go. Open it up. Let's see what's in this thing. Okay. Nice. First, we have Marvel Thor versus Loki. Okay, here we go. Check it out. Thor versus Loki, little collectible series right here. Let's open this thing up. Oh, okay. Here we go. The Loki head. This is Thor. Oh, okay. A bunch of parts to it. Let's put it together. And Thor is battling Loki on the throne. Oh, this is actually pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Check it out. Thor versus Loki. I'll put this on my desk. Alright, that's pretty cool. Alright, this is our first Loot Crate action collectible. Next, we get a, what's this? Loot Crate October 27 mythical pin, and looks like I have Dracula. Awesome thing. Okay. Next, we have Stranger Things. Looks like a Demogorgon versus 11. Let's open this thing up. Okay, collectible, another collectible. Okay. It's a little Demogorgon looking creature thing. 11 in the platform. Okay. 11. Put it in here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Check that out. Awesome. 2 collectibles. Okay, what else is in here? Mr. Pointy, Buffy the Vampire bookmark. Yeah, Buffy. Oh, dude, I haven't heard about Buffy the Vampire Slayer in a long time. This one says throwback. And our t-shirt. What type of t-shirt did I get? It is Ghostbusters. Yes. Ghostbusters! Okay, let me put on this Ghostbuster t-shirt. Let me see how we're gonna do this. Here we go. Ghostbuster t-shirt! Whoa. Okay, this is a men's medium, but it's the tightest t-shirt in the universe. Okay, I think I need to get a large or something. The last size men's medium fits fine. This one is really, really tight, so just let you know, you might want to size up. If you wear a medium, you might want to get a large. Because I usually wear a men's medium, and this seems like a men's small. But it's okay. Cool t-shirt. I don't have to shrink it up, and then give it to my wife. But cool t-shirt, so there it goes. And then the last, what's in here is our mythical magazine tells us what's in it. Says the box turns into a Thor hammer. Okay, let's turn into a Thor hammer. Let's check this out. So the cool thing about Loot Crate is they always do something pretty cool with their boxes. So let's see how this works. This is pretty cool. So the Loot Crate box turns into a Thor hammer. This is pretty cool. Check that out. Now I have my own official Thor hammer on my desk. This is pretty cool. With the blue box. Got a Thor's hammer. We got Loki and Thor battling collectible. We have 11 versus Demogorgon Stranger Things collectible. Oh! Okay, that's good. Buffy the Vampire Slayer bookmark. And a really tiny Ghostbusters t-shirt. Anyways, alrighty, that's it for now. I'll see you guys next time.